What if I tell you you can live in a forest in the middle of the desert? Welcome to Masar. With over 50,000 trees, 9 active parks, and all the useful amenities for the complete family. You can choose from a 2-bedroom townhouse up to 5-bedroom standalone villa, starting size 1800 square feet, going up to 7,000 square feet. This developer is offering you one of the best payment plan in the markets, which is 35-65. 5% you pay as the down payment, 30% you pay in the next 3 years, and 65 at the handover, which you can take from the bank. Masar 1 sold out, Masar 2 sold out. This is your last chance to secure your home in the UAE's biggest forest community. If you want to do this, please contact me right now.